Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create an emotional double exposure effect by blending two portraits into one. For this, we will use PhotoDirector. Open the app, tap Edit, choose your original image, and then add the photo you would like to use. We will use this one. And then you have to click on blending mode and screen. This way it will be more artistic, and your task is to click on the pencil here, and you can remove the parts of your image that are not necessary at all. I would like to create an effect where this girl is softly emerging from his heart. Yes, like this. I will not be very precise now. It's just a tutorial for you. I think you can see, oops, you can see what I would like to do. You can make it even smaller, and this is what I wanted to show you. Hope this function will be useful, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.